Yo, what is going on, Code Connors? Welcome back to more coding on Khan Academy. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use variables. So I'm going to be doing a challenge on Khan Academy called Bucktooth Bunny, and we are going to be using variables to help change the number when you don't want to, such as when you like to change an ellipse or something, the size. You don't have to scroll, you just make a variable and then you can change everything in that. So now I'm going to start making a variable for the eyes. So first of all, I'm going to name it variables, of course, why wouldn't I? And then I place var, because var is the most important. It's the shortcut of using variable. And then I'm going to name it eyes, because I'm trying to edit the eyes, of course. So I'm going to make it 10, because if you can clearly see, if you go to the left and the right eye, all the code for that, the width and the length is both 10. So I'm going to name it that. And then I'm going to change everything over there to the word eye. So I'm going to do that pretty quickly. When I change it, the program automatically reads that I have made my the number that I have made the variable eyes. It's gonna change it to that. So whenever I scroll, see, it changes it at the same time. So that is the point of a variable. Now, after I've created a variable for the eyes, now I'm going to create a variable for the teeth, because it's Bucktooth Bunny, and Bucktooth bunnies have long teeth. So I'm now going to create a variable for the teeth. So I am going to name it. So this is the left tooth and the right tooth. That's the code for that. So var, and I'm going to name it teeth. Oh, I accidentally put 2 E's, and remember, don't worry when this guy shows up with the oh no's, because it will go away after you fix everything. So I'm going to make it 10, because if you go to the last numbers in both of the codes at the bottom of screen, it changes it to that. Now that you've made the variable, use it for the length of the teeth. Now I'm going to change it to teeth. Of course, because when I put that in, it is like a variable to change what is it. Bro, can you guys count how many times I said variable and put it in the comment section? I know I've said it about 40 times, and look at that. I finished it. So this is a very easy challenge if you just follow the instructions correctly. And I hope you guys enjoyed. And I love all of you. See, I'm messing up all the time. It's only my 3rd video, so I still mess up. And I love y'all. Thank you. Peace.